Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
One way to pull this cover off, you're going to push right here. You take a little screwdriver right here, pry down, right like that. Pry it out, turn the lights off again, just push that little button. Right, now we're going to pull this side off. We're going to push, use our straight blade screwdriver, just pry this down. Be careful not to break it. Pull it down, turn the light off. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a screw right here. Pull that out. There's one right here as well. Pull those two screws out. And pull this down like that. There's two 8mm bolts right here. One here, I'm going to use an 8mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. I'll take these out. Take that one out, and we'll take this one out. Pull that one out. And grab it and pull it down. The connector right here. And disconnect this connector. Use a straight blade screwdriver to push down the tab. Pull the connector out. Just like that. There's a connector right here. Push down on this tab. And push it out. There is your overhead console assembly. Right, to separate this piece from the outer piece, I'm going to use a straight blade screwdriver and these little tabs right here and under here, and that'll take this off. And then to get this piece off, there's a little tab right here. Use the same screwdriver. Push that while you're pulling up on the switch. And then that comes up. And do the same with this back side. Pull that up, and then same with this one. And here is your dome light assembly. Now we're going to install these switches into the dome light assembly. Lock it right in like that. And we're going to install the dome light assembly into the console trim. Just line it up like that. And lock it in, just like that. And we can connect the connector. This connector goes in here. It's going to slide in just like that. Lock it in place. This connector is going to connect in over here. Line that up. Oops. And push the connector down. We can slide this right back up here. Take this 8mm bolt. Get this one started. Once that one's started, I'm going to get the other one started before I tighten them down. I'll install these screws. And this screw. And now that they're all in, we'll snug them down. And we'll tighten these ones down with the 8mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. And we'll just snug them. Not too tight, it is plastic, so be careful not to over tighten it and crack it. install this cover. Just like that. Now we're going to install this cover. Just slide this side in first and then lock in the back side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.